Now we can calculate the electric potential energy of the dipole, which is actually the work done in bringing the dipole from infinity into the field. That work done is stored in the dipole in the form of potential energy, and which is known as electric potential energy. So suppose this is uniform electric field. E, and one dipole is brought from infinity है. So dipole है ये, this is minus q plus q. Dipole moment p, डायरेक्शन होगी -2 प्लस चार्ज. नाउ इट इज ब्रॉट, मोशन की डायरेक्शन मैंने शो की है फिगर में, फ्रॉम इन्फिनिटी इनटू दिस, और यहां ले आएगा बस. This is plus q, this charge minus q, this length is 2l, this point is A, this point is B. So if we calculate the work done in bringing the dipole from infinity into this electric field in position AB, that work done will be stored in the form of energy. So you can see in the figure, the work done in bringing both the charges plus and minus from infinity to this point B will be cancelled out, because the work done in bringing positive charge, that work done will be against the electric field. So if we write work done infinity to point B for this charge plus q, so this work done will be negative or positive? Positive, because the work is done against the electric field, so that is now positive. Okay, now the work done in bringing the minus charge from infinity to point B, this is equal to negative. But the magnitude of this work done positive and this work done negative is same, because both the charges are brought from infinity to this point B. So this work done will be cancelled out. So this work done W infinity to V plus Q, this is equal to work done infinity to V for minus Q. So positive negative cancels. So net work done in bringing charges plus q and minus q from infinity to point B inside electric field, this is equal to 0. Fine, this work done will be cancelled by this work done, so 0. But you can see charge minus q will cover 2l distance extra, then charge plus q. See in the figure, charge q will come to this point only, infinity से आप लेके आए यहीं पर रह गया. Okay, now it will not move further, ये यहां से आगे नहीं जाएगा. But minus q चार्ज b से आगे भी गया, और डिस्टेंस कितनी ज्यादा ट्रेवल किया माइनस क्यू ने, 12. सो फॉर माइनस क्यू चार्ज फ्रॉम b to a वर्क डन एक्स्ट्रा हो गया. ओके, देयरफॉर work done in moving charge minus q from B to A, B point to A point, work done B to A. So this is equal to force, electric force, vector quantity, work done scalar quantity, dot product, distance. तो distance कितना है यहाँ से B to A. Okay, see, अब this is equal to QE into B to A. Now see the difference. इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड की डायरेक्शन में देखते हैं. Okay, so this is equal to now Q into E into BA, that is distance. So QE into this is 2L, और since direction is opposite, so minus sign. Okay, otherwise you can write here angle between this B2 and E 180 degree. So this is now minus Q into 12P, P into E. This is equation first. So minus sign again shows this work is done by the electric field. So आपके पास work done आ गया from B to A minus PE. Now we will calculate the work done in rotating the dipole by angle theta. So work done in rotating the dipole by angle theta, W theta. So वर्क डन का फॉर्मूला क्या था, माइनस पीई कॉस थीटा 2 माइनस कॉस थीटा 1. तो पहले आपने लाया ये है स्टेबल पोजीशन, तो इस केस में थीटा 1 की वैल्यू क्या है 0 डिग्री, थीटा 2 की वैल्यू क्या है थीटा, इतना ही तो रोटेट कर रहे हैं आप. सो दिस इज नाउ माइनस पी कॉस थीटा 2. सो कॉस थीटा माइनस कॉस 0, थीटा 1 की वैल्यू. सो दिस इज नाउ माइनस पी cos theta minus 1. So this is now minus P cos theta plus P. That is second equation. अब this is the work done in rotating the dipole by angle theta. That is the work done in bringing charge minus Q from B to point to A. So total work done कितना होगा, and this work done plus this work done. Fine. So total work done, WT, this is equal to W theta plus W B to A. तो W theta की वैल्यू कितनी आ रही है आपकी माइनस P cos theta plus P plus work done from B to A. This is minus PE. Minus PE plus P cancel. So this is now PE cos theta. This is total work done. Unit क्या होगा जूल. अब this is the total work done in bringing the dipole from infinity into the electric field, making angle theta with the field. अगर इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड आपने ऐसे ड्रॉ किया E और इन्फिनिटी से आप डाइपोल ऐसे लेके आए हो, ये एंगल है थीटा, माइनस चार्ज प्लस चार्ज, ओके, लेंथ इज 2L. तो आप पूरा का पूरा डाइपोल ऐसे लेके आ रहे हो फ्रॉम इन्फिनिटी. इन्फिनिटी यहां पे है, दिस इज द मोशन की डायरेक्शन. तो दिस इज द पोजीशन इन विच द डाइपोल इज मेकिंग एंगल थीटा विद द फील्ड, टोटल वर्क डन आ गया आपका ये इतने जूल माइनस पी cos थीटा. नाउ दिस वर्क डन इज स्टोर्ड इन द डाइपोल in the form of electric energy, which is known as electric potential energy of the dipole held in uniform electric fields.